Hello and welcome to training for Charriga Capital Projects. Charriga is an application used by the Department of Veteran Affairs to capture the execution of any given capital project. Some of the information captured consists of contracts, RFIs, submittal packages, meeting minutes, safety notices, and so on. Charriga is a web-based application, meaning that you can access it from anywhere where you have an internet connection, and you will be provided with a login account by your field support staff if you do not have one already. Today, we'll be going over safety notices. We'll begin with creating them from the SRE. So let's get logged in as the SRE. So the safety notice is usually issued to facilitate a change in procedure or requires an action to be taken to improve the level of protection or in a potentially dangerous situation. It must be acted on in a reasonable time. So we're logged into Charriga. Let's make sure we are in the correct project. Checking the project data up here. I want to be in CFM Project 1, which is correct. We will find the project data section on the left. We need to find the safety menu item and click the arrow next to it to expand it, and then click on safety notice to be taken to it. Once we are given our list of safety notices, let's click on add to begin creating a new one. From here, the first thing we want to do is select our contract by clicking the spyglass to the right. And then select our contract by choosing the radar button to the left and then clicking OK. Moving on to the general section beneath that, the date will be auto-populated with today's current date. Change it if you need to. In the name, we need to type the abbreviated prefix depending on our role. In this case, we are the CFM employee, so we're going to type CFM first, dash, and this will be, let's say, our 9th safety notice, that's 009, dash a description, such as safety notice for video. After that is complete, please click Create Draft. Next, in the To section, we need to identify the person we're going to send this to. So find the To lookup field, follow that to the right, click on the spyglass, and we're going to send this to our contractor, who is Test 21. Type their name in, Test 21, and enter to search for them. Find the correct Test 21, and then click OK. You will see their information will fill in. In the detail section, please check the response required box. This will mean that the contractor, in this case, needs to respond to it and choose a date you would like a response by. Required by section, click the calendar and then choose a date. Choose the 16th. And then please note if the permission to work is restricted until the condition is corrected, and that the request condition needs to be corrected immediately. Beneath that, in the reference section, please identify the violation type by clicking on the drop down to the right and finding the correct value in this list. It's an asbestos violation. Select the severity of the safety notice. It is a critical severity. Click on the spyglass for safety jurisdiction if applicable. Say this violates, say, federal. And this involves a safety code, please enter it now. You can then identify a discipline. Click on the spyglass, select correct discipline. Moving on to the accident report section. If there is an accident report already created, you can click the Find button and select it here. If you need to create an accident report, please refer to the video outlining how to create accident reports. you will find them in the list here. So we'll select our accident report and click OK to add it. If you needed to create a new accident report, you could do that from here as well. You would just click the Find button and then click Add to begin creating a new one. Again, please refer to the accident report video for those instructions. Okay. Next, we'll go to the directive section. We need to input some direction to our contractor. I'll say, please do this and that to remediate. Then click Save. If there are any notes and documents that need to be uploaded, please go to the Notes and Documents tab. Find the related documents section. Click Upload. This will open a new window. Find your file that you wish to upload, drag and drop it into that window, and then click Submit. The window will close. We need to reopen our safety notice by finding it, and you will see that the file has now been uploaded. Click Save once more. It doesn't hurt to double check all your data. Make sure your documents are uploaded. Make sure your data on the information, make sure your data and information on the General tab is correct. Then click Issue. See that the window closes. And if we find our safety notice for the video, it'll be a review in progress. We need to wait for that to go into the issue status so we can refresh. Take another look. Still review in progress, so let's just give it another second or two. And now it is in the issue status, so let's click on it once more to open it up. Since we did ask that a response is required, we need to click on the complete action to send it to the contractor for their response. So let's do that. The window will close. You'll see that the safety notice is in the routing in progress status, and it will be that way until the contractor responds. Once the contractor has responded to your safety notice will automatically go into the completed status, and you'll have a response to review. So we can find our safety notice once more by clicking on Safety and then Safety Notice. From here, I can search for my safety notice if I know part of the name. I do in this case. I'm going to look for the word video, hit Enter. Give it a moment to load. I will see that this is my safety notice, and it is now in the status of completed, meaning the contractor has responded. I will click on it to open it. I can then go to the Notifications tab. I will then find the response section. I can click on the response to view what was typed and responded from the contractor. I can see that they typed a response. I'm happy with that. I can close these windows, and now I'm done. Thank you.